Spring has arrived. After a long and harsh winter, food is plentiful and every species is prospering. Nests are getting full and parents are working double shifts to keep all mouths full. Others are also becoming active again. The water snake viperine just woke up from hibernation and is looking for a body of water to rest and feed again. Another species of snake is also looking for food. The horseshoe whip snake is on the hunt. It can smell the sparrow's nest. The snake is a formidable... Wait. The whole story can't start like that. We need to go back. We need to know how things happen before we talk how the snake found the nest. So, João, take it from here.
The following video may contain scenes that some viewers might find upsetting. Viewer discretion is advised. We had an amazing event happening in our house. We were outside enjoying the sun, and when we were returning, we ended up seeing a snake on top of the roof, underneath the roof, right on top of our door. Before we heard the sparrows going crazy around the nest area, but sometimes it can be just the sparrows fighting between them, so we didn't really care. But as we are returning, we see there is a snake very close to the sparrow's nest. And when we get closer, we see that this snake already has an adult sparrow already in the mouth, already in the process of swallowing. So without trying to make a lot of noise and disturbing it, we rush into the house to grab all the video cameras and the photo cameras to record this amazing event. It's not very often that you can see this. So we are filming there, but this snake, the horseshoe whip snake, you can see it is the sparrow, an adult sparrow is already too big for it. So it actually ends up puking it or vomiting it. We knew perfectly that the snake would stay around and maybe try to go again for the nest. We could hear the chicks inside. So we waited around 5 hours filming the snake. And then when the chicks start going again, start calling, we realize, okay, the snake probably is again there. When the camera is finally rolling, the snake already has 2 chicks on the mouth, and while he's trying to pull it out, one of the chicks managed to get itself free and just jumps off and trying to fly away. Sadly, it's still in a very early stage, so it can't really fly. And we managed to have this amazing view of the snake swallowing the chick. The parents, they couldn't do anything, and they had indeed abandoned the nest. The 2 chicks that survived, they ended up dying because the parents never came back. But after 2 weeks, the parents have returned, and they are cleaning up the nest again for the new posture. The sparrows, they have a lot of postures during the whole year, so it will be a month or 2 before they lay again eggs. So this is how you should do it. If you see a snake, you should not disturb the snake. For example, the horseshoe whip snake, it just got off of hibernation. It's not a full hibernation like the bears. Sometimes they come out to warm themselves during the hot days of winter, but they are coming out now because in May the mating season will start. This one, it's actually a juvenile because of the colors. The adults, the more mature snakes, they have a much darker pattern and not so bright colors. So if you see a snake, you should not disturb the snake. Do not kill the snake, do not kill it, because the snakes are very useful to keep the rats, sparrows in check, the population. They are a vital role for the ecosystem, for the balance. Taking off the snakes, it will be a big unbalance in the whole ecosystem, in the whole nature. So yeah, this is something that you don't see every day. I'm not going to say I'm very happy, but I'm very satisfied that I managed to get it on video and that I can share with you. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more amazing things of nature. You can click the bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Go on Instagram and Facebook and you can follow all of our adventures. Thank you and stay safe.